How we doing, everybody? My name's Dustin Prevete, and I'm the Senior Product Manager here at LATICRETE for shower systems, waterproofing, and floor heat. What I have for you today is the introductory video to our new bonding flange drain. As you can see, they're going to be available in both ABS and PVC. Now I'm just going to walk you through some of the key features. So one of the enhancements we made based on feedback from the field was the fact that our drain the drain grate sat a little too high in the assembly. To combat that, we've changed up the adjusting ring. So as you can see, there's tiered rings around to accept the screws on the bottom of the drain, thus allowing the grate to fit at a lower profile, which makes it usable with a wider variety of tile. In addition to the rings allowing it to sit lower, they also aid in the sloping process when you're putting the final tile up against the drain grate itself. So it's going to allow for a more consistent slope along the rings when using the thin set. As I mentioned earlier, it's going to be available in both ABS and PVC. It's still going to accept a 2, a 3, and a 4-inch waste outlet. So to get there, there's a 3-inch waste outlet adapter that's going to come with both of these drains. And then to get to the 4-inch, you simply cut off the bottom with a saw and you'd be good to go with a 4-inch acceptance. In addition to the bonding flange itself, they're going to be available in kits and sold separately. So the ones that are available in kits will come with a polished 4x4 drain grate, a brushed 4x4 drain grate, or an oil rub bronze 4x4 drain grate. And the bonding flanges themselves will come with the adjusting ring and just the flange. So as we get closer to the launch, feel free to check back to our social media feeds and our LATICRETE webpage for more exciting announcements in regard to this launch. Thank you.